How you doing, YouTube family? Man, Ant-Man here, back with another video, and I was planning to post about like maybe close to 10 videos, but unfortunately, I've been sick. I haven't been saying it to some people and whatnot, but I've been sick, wasn't really feeling like myself. Lately, I had like this little, a little feeling in the back of my throat, and then I had this crazy like immense pain, and I just wasn't feeling well at all, and I had to take a few days to myself to get myself together. Excuse me. But today, like any other day, got up, took a shower, washed my face, brushed my teeth, all that stuff, and I'm back at it, and I'm doing what I gotta do, right? But something dawned on me this morning, actually. Actually, no, not this morning. Yesterday morning. But today I'm going to talk about it. Okay. What if? All right. As we know, a lot of platforms via social media come and go sometimes. They stick around for a good while and then they leave, right? So when you pay attention to MySpace, that's basically what had happened. Everybody's first real social media, you know, at least for me, you know, was MySpace, right? And that's gone. So I was thinking, a lot of people on YouTube or a lot of people in general, even big companies, okay, they are now utilizing social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, stuff like that, right? What if all of those platforms just went away? Like they just died, right? They just gone. Like you woke up to some news, notifications on your phone, on the news station, they said something like breaking news just in, Facebook has crashed. And then you got Mark Zuckerberg up there talking about, I don't know what happened and yada yada yada. But let's just be real. The guy's gonna be sitting on millions of dollars, okay, because he's the owner of all of this, right? Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, maybe even YouTube, whatever, right? All of these social media platforms gone. But the owners, they're already rich, man. They're already rich. They done created a beautiful, thing, and which is probably gonna outlast them. Okay, and they have submitted their legacy. They can say, I've created YouTube, I've created Facebook, I created Twitter, I created Snapchat, I created Instagram, I created this, that, and third, I created Pinterest, whatever, right? But what if one day all of the social media just completely crashes, just like how real estate crashed back in like 2007, 8, and 9, I believe, right? What will you do? Guys, we need to always look for something else, not just something to where we can just do things only via social media. There are a lot of opportunities out there to where you have to pick up a phone to make money. Okay, maybe you have to go and present in front of a business. Okay, in which you can make a tremendous amount of money. Now, that doesn't mean that advertising is going to stop, but I'm just saying, as far as social media, you advertising your business on social media. A lot of you that are on YouTube have built your business from YouTube. A lot of you have built your business from Facebook campaigns, and I don't really hear too many people talking about Twitter video ads. But even back in the day of multi-level marketing, people still was utilizing Twitter to get their business out there. Okay, so what I'm trying to get is this, guys. If you're successful in your online business or even your offline business, all right, but let's just say, of course, what I'm talking about online, right? If you're successful, you're making at least $5,000 consistently every single month, okay? um, you need to look for something else. Learn a skill in which you can not, nobody can take that away from you. Okay? Invest into some land, invest into some real estate, invest into some hard assets. Okay? Invest into gold. Okay? The value of the dollar is diminishing in the United States, from what I hear. Okay, and China has been onto something that's really serious. You know, invest into some gold, right? Invest into something that nobody can take away from you. Okay, learn a skill, learn how to repair credit. There is never going to be a shortage of individuals that is not going to need help building their credit scores. You can't get a house, you can't get a car, you can't invest into a business sometimes because of credit. You can't get financing to start a business, okay, or to keep a business because of your credit. Credit is everything, and that's just being real. That's just 100% honest. Like, honesty, like, literally, like, you really need to think about that, okay? Credit is serious. So learn, get with a company that can teach you about the credit repair business. Go through the training, guys. Like, do stuff like that. So then, let's just say something happens with Facebook. You already have another platform in which you have already made or can make six figures. The same amount that you will make if you would say you invested in Pure Profit Pro, or you invested in Titan, or you invested in Turbo Wealth Solutions, or you invested in 8-Figure Dream Lifestyle. You invested in Big Profit System. You invested in Simple Wealth Creators, right? You invested in Gold Limitless Extreme, whatever you invested in, right? Who knows how any of that is going to go at the end of the day? We don't own any of that. The only thing that you can say that you own is until you invest and you have the resale rights to it, in which you can take those products and you can download those products onto your computer and learn about those products, and then you can teach other people, okay, about that. So you invest, you learn, you teach, and then you get paid, okay? Social media may be around, okay, for now, but who's to say 10, 15, 10, 20 years from now, it's going to be, when I'm going at 26, when I'm 40, I may not be able to do this. I may not want to do this, okay? So it's just smarter to invest in something that's solid. You know it's going to be here before you die. You know, you want to have something so you can pass down to your children and your children's children and your children's children. You're building a foundation for your family's family, right? You're building a foundation because obviously, as you know, with business opportunities and stuff like that, okay, whether direct sales or network marketing, multi-level marketing, Bitcoin, whatever, okay, that stuff come and goes, guys. Business opportunities come and go all the time, okay? And you can only ride that wave for as long as that business is still running, okay? We have phenomenal personal development, self-development, business opportunity that hosts courses and has courses for us to invest in. A lot of them, like say in which Titan, I believe they've been in business for from what I hear, for about 4 to 5 or 6 years or something like that. Okay. Pure Profit Pro, I believe that's also partnered with Titan. That people have been, from what I see, they've been successful for a good 2.5 to 3 years with that company. Okay, so it's good to invest into things that are solid, but again, they're just vehicles, guys. Don't get your mind all caught up. They're just tools. They're vehicles for now for you to make money, but just as soon as a new shiny object come back out, and something else comes in, and it has a better commission structure. It has 100% commission just like the rest of them, and they're closing sales and all that good stuff, and they're providing you great traffic sources and all that. People are going to start hopping onto that. But my thing is that's what's going on. People see something, they gravitate to that. They see something, they gravitate to that. They see something, they gravitate to that. And it's just like people just seem to be bouncing around every year to all these different opportunities. My thing is, education can never be stolen from you. This isn't like back in the 1700s where we was held back, okay, or withheld from education. Okay, it's not a history channel. I'm not going to get into any of that, but I'm just saying, education is practically free now. I mean, you can go on Google and you can learn so much. I have over 14 certifications in various different industries and niches and other things in that nature. because I always wanted to educate myself on what it is that I need to know. And I'm never going to stop educating myself because things change over the years, guys. I'm going to educate myself on YouTube. I'm going to educate myself on personal development and digital marketing. I'm going to educate myself on a lot of different things that's going on here, guys, because it's just something that we need to learn. Hey, I may even get into credit repair. Like, you never know. You never know what's going to happen, guys, and it's just good to learn something, get familiarize yourself with a skill that you want to learn, invest in that, okay, stick around that for a while, okay, and then you can start doing that, okay. Same thing with business coaching, right? You start getting your first consulting clients, you know, your first high ticket clients and whatnot. That can never be taken away from you because you worked hard for that. You worked hard for those clients, okay? So all I'm saying is this, guys: invest into something that you will always be able to own. It's time for us to really empower ourselves, okay? Empower ourselves. Stop jumping from program to program. Stay with something solid. And even when you start making the money that you're making in your online business, put some aside, save some, okay? So then you can invest into some land, into some real estate, invest into some gold, invest, okay, into something. Get a skill, okay? Perform something that nobody can take away from you because, again, business opportunities come and go. Social media platforms, they seem to be a little bit iffy. They're up and down a little bit sometimes. Not now, but I'm just trying to prepare you, okay, for what may or may not happen, okay? Because there's a lot of businesses that are heavily invested into social media, and my thing is that's not a wrong thing. That's not bad. I've been heavily interested, invested into social media, but I know that there may be a day where something just might crash. I mean, let's just be real. All of the real estate brokers and agents that are successful now, they was around when everything crashed, so they lost everything. Full-blown companies went out of business, and if you've been in the real estate, if you've ever been in real estate, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so my thing is, we don't know if there's going to be a big hit like that when it comes to social media. I mean, we already see about the privacy stuff that's going on with Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg having to go to court and actually sit down publicly and talk about all of this. So we don't know what's going to happen these days when it comes to social media. As in, we don't know what's going to happen with business opportunities. My thing is, while we have these tools available to us, why not take advantage of it while we have the chance? And then the commissions earned from these phenomenal business opportunities that we can take advantage of. Put some money aside and start investing into some land, like I said, some real estate, some education, guys. Learn a skill because nobody can take nothing from here. Everything that you earn, everything that you learn, nobody can take education from you, guys. So don't get it twisted, all right? So I just wanted to make that video, okay, about that. Education is key, guys. Understand that the reason why the reason why there are business people that are in business opportunities and they just seem to excel and perform exceptionally well in everything that they touch is because they never shy away from educating themselves on what needs to be done, guys. No matter if it's sales tactics, okay, no matter if it's sales tactics and techniques, marketing tactics and techniques, prospecting. I mean, no matter what it is, guys, they've adapted, okay, and they've taken in all the education that they possibly can, and now they can take the education that was learned and then they can distribute that and showcase that into their other businesses, and that's why they are successful. Okay, so never get caught up in all the money that people make. Never get caught up in just buy traffic, just buy traffic, just buy traffic. We are educating ourselves on the back end to keep us in the game, to keep us updated, so we know how to get things done, okay, in which other people struggle, we excel. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watching this video. If you want to know more or you want to, just get in touch with me, okay, please contact me at my other number, okay. I may switch my personal number, okay, we all know what that number is, but I may switch that number within the next couple of months, so I want you guys to always now contact me, 484-455-4046. That number is not going anywhere for no time soon. So please, 484-455-4046, as well as if you want to talk with me of obtaining leads or what's the best business opportunity right now, okay, you want to invest in me and helping you grow your business or whatever it is that you have to offer and you need some help getting that off of the ground, please give me a call. Yeah, you can give me a call, obviously. But email me as well at my email address, anthonyhitch76@gmail.com. That's anthonyhitch76@gmail.com, which is ANTHONYHITCH76@gmail.com. I really am looking forward to hearing from all of you beautiful people. Take care, and as always, God bless. More videos to come. Take care, guys. Make it a great day.